Now, our next topic is variation in acceleration due to gravity g with depth. Means earlier in the earlier topic we have seen that the effect of acceleration due to gravity at altitude means from the above the surface of Earth. Now we have to see the effect of g below the surface of Earth means in depth. Now suppose this is Earth, this is the center, this is radius of Earth r, and therefore on the surface of Earth g is equal to gm upon r square. This is equation number 1. Now we have to find out or we have to determine the effect of g in depth. So we come means we draw this radius inside in this way. Now we come inside from the surface. Suppose this is depth d. Now we are here up to depth d. Now we draw the circle, concentric circle of radius r minus d. Means this distance becomes r minus d, and we have to determine the acceleration due to gravity at this point here, and suppose this is gd. So we consider, let rho be the density of Earth, m be the mass of Earth, and v is equal to 4/3, or v be the volume. So density is equal to mass upon volume. Now on Earth surface, therefore mass is equal to rho into v. So now on Earth surface, mass is equal to density into 4/3 pi r cube, and at depth d, this mass of Earth at depth d is equal to density of Earth. This will be remains unchanged, means this is constant, into 4/3 pi. But at depth d, what becomes the radius? R minus d, and therefore this can be written as r minus d whole cube, and therefore at depth d we can write the acceleration due to gravity gd is equal to g into mass at depth d upon radius means r minus d whole square. This is equation number 2. Now dividing equation 2 by 1. So therefore gd upon g is equal to g into md upon r minus d square into value of g is r square upon gm. So g get cancelled, and after substituting the values, gd upon g is equal to md. The value of md is rho into 4/3 pi r minus d whole cube upon r minus d whole square into, this becomes r square upon m is rho into 4/3 pi r cube. Now this rho 4/3 pi get cancelled. This r square get cancelled. Here r minus d square get cancelled, and here we write gd upon g is equal to r minus d upon r. This is relation. Using this relation we can write gd is equal to g into r minus d upon r means dividing by r. Therefore this becomes 1 minus d upon r, and this is the variation in acceleration due to gravity with depth d. Here there is one note: if d is equal to r, means if we come from the surface of earth to the center, means here to the center, there d becomes equal to r, and therefore gd is equal to g into 1 minus r upon r. It becomes g into 0. Therefore gd is equal to 0. Means at center the acceleration due to gravity is 0. This is the point of objective question or MCQ question, and this is the effect of g on depth.